Continue, please.
So kung you have 30,000 per container and there are 100 containers na pinapapasok mo every week, magkano ang kinikita mo? Mark,
Malaki rin po.
that's how much ba? I'm very poor in math eh. Ha? 3 million? 3 million a week?
Yes, Your Honor.
Uchaks, oh sorry. A week yan ha?
Your Honor, hindi lagi dahil po yung mga Chinese po hindi naman po talaga sila kaagad nagbabayad.
O sige, if you compare yourself to the other mga yung nagpapapasok ng containers, small time ka ba, big time, or medium?
Wala, small time lang po
Small
ako.
time ka lang. So may ibang mas nagpapapasok pa ng mas malaking number of containers kaysa sa'yo?
Opo.
Every week?
Meron po, marami po.
With the indulgence, Mr. Chair of Congressman Kit Flores, gusto
Go ahead.
lang in relation